good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Mary Ann Monson Diafut. I am 29 years old. I live in Jones, Isabela, Philippines. I am a single mom. I have one child, 9 years old of age. We are 4 siblings in the family, 3 brothers, and the third child. And I am the third child. And I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have experience in Saudi Arabia. I finished my contract as domestic helper. I serve 4 members, 1 mother, and 3 adults. And also, I do the household chores like cleaning, mopping, ironing, cooking, and also car washing.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you select me as your worker. I am responsible, honest, and I promise to finish my contract.
Okay.
And I thank you.